Hello everyone. Now I would like to show a systematic English grammar. While watching this video, please concentrate.
Number. You have learnt numbers in the previous classes. You know there are two kinds of numbers. The noun or pronoun that stands for one person, place or a thing is said to be in the singular number. The noun or pronoun that stands for more than one person, place or thing is said to be in the plural number. You have also learned the different ways of forming plurals of nouns. Let us have a quick revision. Rule 1. By adding s to the singular number, most nouns form their plurals in this way. Bee, bees, street, streets, uncle, uncles, shop, shops, tree, trees, ear, ears. Rule 2. Nouns ending in s, s, x, sh or ch form their plurals by adding es or s, es to the singular. Gas, gases, fox, foxes, watch, watches, loss, losses, bush, bushes, batch, batches, box, boxes, brush, brushes. Rule 3. Remember, a noun ending in y and the y has a consonant before it, its plural is formed by changing y into ies. Copy, copies. Reply, replies. City, cities. Baby, babies. Fairy, fairies. Country, countries. Rule 4. But if the noun ends in y and the y has a vowel before it, its plural is formed by adding s to the singular. Bay, bays. Donkey, donkeys. Valley, valleys. Joy, joys. Toy, toys. Key, keys. I'm sure you have understood the difference between Rule 3 and Rule 4 now. Rule 5. All the words in the singular end in f or fe. How do we change them to plurals? Look carefully and read aloud. Calf, calves. Wife, wives. Shelf, shelves. Knife, knives. What did we do? We changed f and fe to ves. But some nouns ending in f add only s to make their plurals. Roof, roofs. Proof, proofs. Safe, safes. Dwarf, dwarves. Rule 6. When the nouns end in the letter O, we form their plurals by adding es. But learn this carefully. The O must have a consonant before it. Study these examples. Hero, heroes. Mosquito, mosquitoes. Echo, echoes. Buffalo, buffaloes. Volcano, volcanoes. Potato, potatoes. Now we will quickly revise some special nouns and their plurals. Rules 7, 8, 9 and 10 are very different from rules 1 to 6. Rule 7. In the nouns you will read now, their plurals are made by changing the vowels inside them. Put, feet. Man, men. Goose, geese. Tooth, teeth. Woman, women. Mouse, mice. Rule 8. Observe carefully how the nouns are changed. Read them aloud and learn. Singular, plural. Son-in-law, sons-in-law. Father-in-law, fathers-in-law. Maid-servant, maid-servants. Manservant, menservant. Mother-in-law, mothers-in-law. Passer-by, passers-by. Stepson, stepsons. Commander-in-chief, commanders-in-chief. Rule 9. Study how these nouns change. Brother, brothers or brethren. Child, children. Ox, oxen. They end in en. Rule 10. Some nouns have the same form for both singular and plural. Examples: deer, deer. Sheep, sheep. Fish, fish. You have to be very careful when you change a whole sentence from singular to plural. You have to change the verbs and pronouns also along with the nouns. Look at these pictures and read aloud what they say. There is an ox in the field. Singular. There are some oxen in the field. Plural. There was a child in the park. Singular. There were many children in the park. Plural. I saw a deer in the woods. Singular. I saw 2 deer in the woods. Plural. There was a sheep in the field. Singular. There were many sheep in the field. Plural. We caught a fish. Singular. We caught a lot of fish. Plural. Now look at the pictures and notice the difference in the sentences in A and B. Singular, plural. A cow is a useful animal. Cows are useful animals. An apple grows on a tree. Apples grow on trees. There is a book on the shelf. There are books on the shelves. In B, all nouns have been changed into plurals. Cow, cows. A tree, trees. The verb is singular when the noun is singular. A cow is. Apple grows is a book, and is plural when the noun is plural. Cows are. Apples grow are books.
Change into plurals. 1 peach, 2 dash peaches. 1 child, many dash children. 1 mouse, 2 dash mice. A loaf of bread, 2 dash of bread loaves. 1 leaf, many dash leaves. Pick the right word from the bracket and drop into the box. We had to cross several states in our recent dash journey Journeys. Journey. Some people were lucky to win several prizes. Dash or brown. Berries. How many dash do you have? Friends. How many dash does he have? Ships.
Gender. Do you remember how many genders are there in English language? Yes, there are 4 of them. Quickly revise with me. Masculine gender. Nouns used for males. Boy, man are said to be of the masculine gender. Feminine gender. Nouns used for females. Girl, woman are said to be of the feminine gender. Neuter gender. Nouns used for things which have no life or are inanimate are said to be of neuter gender. Table, tree, desk, ball, etc. Common gender. Nouns used for both a male and a female are said to be of common gender. The word child. It may mean either a male child or a female child. It is a word common to both boys and girls. Words like friend, cousin, person, bird, parent, relation, teacher, student or pupil, orphan are said to be nouns in the common gender. How to change a masculine noun into a feminine noun? Remember, there are 3 ways. By adding ess to the masculine. Lion, lioness. Prince, princess. Host, hostess. Heir, heiress. But sometimes we make a change before we add ess. Tiger, tigress. Duke, duchess. Emperor, empress. Hunter, huntress. Waiter, waitress. God, goddess. By a different word. Bachelor, maid, boy, girl, brother, sister, bull, cow, cock, hen, king, queen, man, woman, nephew, niece, hero, heroine, widower, widow, uncle, aunt, gentleman, lady, horse, mare, husband, wife, son, daughter, monk, nun, papa, mama, sir, madam, bridegroom, bride, lad, lass. Feminines of compound nouns. Gentleman, gentlewoman. Stepfather, stepmother. He-goat, she-goat. Landlord, landlady. Grandfather, grandmother. Peacock, peahen. Manservant, maidservant. Stepson, stepdaughter. Washerman, washerwoman. Fisherman, fisherwoman. Pronouns also change when they are used instead of a noun. Read the sentences aloud and note the changes. we use he, she and it instead of a singular masculine, feminine and neuter noun. He, she, it. Examples. The king went to the palace. He ate his breakfast. The queen went to the palace. She ate her breakfast. The king lived in the palace. It was made of white marble. The pronouns they and them may be masculine, feminine or neuter. They are used for plural nouns. Examples. The boys have just returned home. They must be hungry. Give them something to eat. Masculine. The girls have been to cinema. Ask them if they enjoyed the picture. Feminine. The books on the table are mine. They have many beautiful pictures in them. Or neuter.
Add ESS to the masculine gender to make feminine gender. Shepherd, shepherdess. Poet, poetess. Count, countess. Lion, lioness. Host, hostess. Give the gender of the words in italics. The class is empty. Neuter gender. Children are making a noise. Common gender. Mother loves her children. Feminine gender. The peacock dances in the rain. Masculine gender. My uncle is a doctor. Masculine gender. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and share it to your friends.